Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today I'm going to quickly show you how to add Cashapp to Twitter. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Twitter. So when you open up Twitter, what you're going to do, you're going to go to your settings here. So click on your top right, settings, so click on your account, so click on your account on your top left here. So you'll have your account option, and then once you get to your account option, then scroll down, you will see this settings and support option. Under that, click on settings and privacy, and here you will see this option called monetization. Click on monetization. So now what you have to do is you go to simply select the monetization that's eligible to you. Like at the moment I'm not eligible to neither of these, so I won't be able to do that, but all you have to do is simply select the one that you're eligible. So just select that, and then this one, and then it will ask you, once you are eligible, it'll ask you to prompt your payment method. So when you get to your payment method, just choose card or debit card details, and for the debit card details, just simply provide your cash card details. So your cash card that you got from Cashapp, so you need that, your cash card, so use that cash card and its details as the debit card details, and then proceed with your payment. So that's how you can add Cashapp to Twitter. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.